We're almost at the theater now. The metro entrance should be pretty close. But however small the distance is, we'll have to cover it on the surface. And there, every step you take could well be your last.
Chuvak, we're here. Pull yourself together. We don't have long before nightfall, okay? Okay, with the tunnel collapsed, the only way to reach the escalator down to theater station is cross the surface. And trust me, we don't want to be caught out here in the fucking dark. Опа, we're on luck, Artyomich! This place seems lived in. Rangers probably, I don't know. And when there are rangers... Shit! Short on filters. We'll have to make do. Now come on, take what you need. We're all brothers in the metro. Hey, приятель, I could use a good watch like yours. Knowing how much air you got left is a must, huh? We have no further business here. Let's move forward. You know, I've heard of things roaming around that even bullets can stop. You have been through some bad shit, I know, but not like what's coming. Artyom, remember, if you want to live, don't drop your guard for an instant, okay? Whoa, that's impressive. I heard about this place. That plane was headed into Moscow when the whole city caught fire. The building where it crashed, that's the entrance to the theater. The ice is thawing up here. It's almost like spring, Artyomich. Maybe we'll live to see the summer. Wait. There's got to be an underground path somewhere around here. The Rangers would never cross the square out in the open. Okay, we could walk down the wing here. Okay, so much for the sun. Those clouds moved in fast. Ё-моё! Рэй! Рэй! Артём, when was the last time you saw Ray? Бля, радиоактив. I almost feel it burning through my gloves. Anything good there, my friend? We won't survive exposed like this. Have to reach the station, now! Check for filters, Artyom. You want to swap your mask? Do it fast. This poor bastard won't be needing his. Ёб твою мать! Yeah! Think I'm gonna be sick. Tread carefully. They say these tunnels shelter more than just mutants. A good communist doesn't believe in souls, Artyom. But this fucking place of death makes me, wonder. Let's go out to the light. Check that service room. You okay, чувак? You're all covered with blood. Артём, stop! Get down, now! Watchman! Ё-моё, huge pack! The storm must be driving them. Ooh. Stay calm, George. If they spot us, we'll be ripped to shreds. Shit! That was close. Okay, Artyom, no more tricks like that. Let's get to the plane before another pack comes through. Move it! I've heard stories about this place. Weird shit happens here. Hey, try opening it, I'll give cover. Jammed? Oh, bля, let's try together. Moving. Look, Artyom, don't lose your head in here. You understand me? Okay, let's go. One ranger told me this was a flight from Mallorca. Family is returning from vacation, no? You know, Artyom, I've never been to the sea, or even on a plane myself. Yeah, well, wasn't meant to be. I feel, I don't know, I feel weird. Чувак, are you seeing this shit too? Artyom, what is this? Ё-моё! Look! They're alive!
What happened? What the hell was that? Shit! We're losing power! Engines are dead! Our tower! Flight 76715 here!
We're losing flash!
Mayday! Ask them! Shit! The tower's gone!
Tola! We're going down!
Speed!
It's the ones that down! I can't get anything! Oh my god! Shit! Shit!
Give me a hand!
What's going on here?
What's it down to? Get hold of yourself!
Come on! Come on! Stop! Piece of shit! Not engine started! Switch to take off! We're going down!
Let's go! Let's go! Andre, don't panic! We're gonna land! We're gonna land!
Breathe! I had to breathe! Where?
Artyom, what? Really? If you hadn't woke me, I'd probably have suffocated, like the others did. What, like this? Like this one here? Okay, let's get out of this place now. Now! Artyom, go right. I think we'll find the entrance behind the building. Shit, the demon! Take it down, take it down! Coming after it! I'm trying to make it drop you! Fucking demon! Dude, you owe me one. Harry, you're almost there. Fucking watchman! As soon as we moved away from the plane, and we were almost there, huh? Get ready! We're going in from the second floor! The entrance to the theater is round the next corner. We have to move now! Follow me, faster, faster! Come over here! Go! Give me a hand! Faster! More are coming! Hurry up, we gotta find the entrance! Above you! Too many of them! We have to warn the station! Get to the escalator! Hurry up, now! Move down, get still out there! Open up! Open up! Don't let us in, you bastard! There you are! Hold on! Hold down! Inside, move!
Like a stroll through the park, huh?